We got a 2026 1500 RHO. It's probably the replacement of the TRX. So yeah, this is the dash cam installation we did. We'll jump right into it. Installation looks like we did a black view for him. Okay, you see no wires anywhere or anything. Everything is hardwired. Okay, everything is hardwired in the vehicle. The one in the rear is back here. No wires showing anywhere. It looks, the idea that we're aiming for, that way it looks like it came with the vehicle. That it's not an add-on, you know, like other cameras that go here and, you know, that sort of thing, that you can clearly see that they didn't come with the vehicle. We try to make it look like it came with it. That way we like to hide all the wires, hardwired it to the car. That way you don't have anything hooked up to a cigarette lighter or nothing like that. That's why you pay what you pay to get this thing done. Okay, anybody in Miami, Fort Lauderdale, or Homestead, give us a call. We do come out and we knock any dash cam. You buy it on Amazon and you give us a call, and basically we can knock out whatever camera you bought. There's a lot of brands that I like. If you want to give us a call first, and we can recommend you some brands. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we're located in Miami, Florida. We do have mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.